It's a squishy!
Does that mean it's the mystery wheel squishy?
Destruction challenge!
Destruction challenge?
Yep, we're gonna destroy squishies today.
Yeah! I mean,
do you like squishies?
well, I do like this one because it looks so tasty.
You know they're not food, eh? You don't actually eat them, Sir Tymon.
I'm so hungry. I want
Don't do it.
Look at that chocolate. It's like glazed.
It's not real chocolate. See, I'm actually not that fussed on squishies. I like the fact it can go from ice cream to squash cream. I just like squashing them. Do you want to know how the destruction challenge works?
Yeah.
What happens is we've got the mystery wheel again, we spin it. Whatever it lands on, we have to do that to our squishy.
To our squishy?
Yep, to our squishy. So whatever it may be cut it in half, it may be tear off a piece. What did we get this time?
Blender!
And then you put it in a blender.
Oh no, the blender!
And then whoever has the best looking squishy by the end, they will be crowned the squishy destruction champion.
Oh, we got some other squishies there.
Should we open them up?
Yeah, let's take a look.
Do you want a rubber ducky?
I think the dinosaur looks pretty cool.
Now, my favorite part, I only just discovered this.
Yeah.
They are scented. We're gonna find out what they smell like.
What does a snail smell like? I don't want a snail anymore. I don't want a snail. What do you think it is?
I am gonna guess mine is
I'm going for seahorse.
cat.
Open yours first.
Open mine first.
What is it? What is it?
Called it!
Oh!
Oh, it smells so...
Does it smell like kitty litter or what does it smell like?
I actually don't know what it smells like. What do you think it smells like?
Like a really nice, freshly washed cat.
As long as it doesn't smell like a wet dog.
Okay.
Open yours up, either.
Okay. It is a dinosaur.
Dinosaur. What does a dinosaur smell like?
Okay. Polyurethane. It's funny. Smells like probably what it is. My head. Please don't be like the same one.
Called it!
I wonder if he smells any different. He does smell different.
He does, he smells more like the cat.
Okay. Let's be unicorn.
Rubber ducky.
What does a duck smell like?
This one actually smells the nicest of all of them.
Oh, it smells like yellow. How do you get the smell of yellow?
It doesn't smell like any duck I've sniffed before.
You're a professional duck sniffer.
All right.
Are you ready?
Of course I'm ready.
I'm ready. All right. Sniff it and squish it.
First spin.
Do it. Spin it.
What have I got? What have I get?
Oh.
Black marker. One big line. There we go.
Tear a piece off.
Tear a piece off.
Well, I feel like the best way to tear a piece off would be like,
I told you not to eat it, dude.
I get to eat it.
Okay, do it. Oh!
That's nasty.
Squish it flat. Squish it
Suddenly.
flat. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
So lame. Squish it flat.
Called it.
Oh man, that did so much to destroy your squishy. Oh. Big spin. Big spin.
No! Blender! Blender, come on, come on, come on! Yes! Yes!
Oh, I have to blend it. Oh, I'm so sorry, beautiful chocolate squishy.
Do it, just do it!
I'll just tuck this bit in.
Twist it.
1, 2, 3. Oh my word. Oh my gosh! It's got like cut marks all over it. It's dying. Spin, spin, spin. Another black marker. Black marker.
You might be able to cover up some of the marks.
That's good.
Stop,
No.
stop. Oh, it's so close!
My friend. 5 big grates, like
1,
2, 3, 4.
5. Too bad.
I really need some glue. No.
Oh, oh, you might get it. You
Further,
might...
further, further,
Don't, stop, stop, stop!
I'm gonna put my bike back on.
I think you're going to be spending all day if you're trying to fix up the laceration. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah. Tear a piece off. Bite into that.
There we go. Drill,
that,
drill,
not that,
drill, drill,
not that.
drill, drill, drill. Yes!
Okay. Don't try this at home, kids.
Ah!
There we go. It's through. What is it?
No.
Come on. Power drill. It's spewing out more caramel ice cream.
Drill.
No! Okay, we're gonna drill right from the bottom. Like, way. Oh. I've drilled a hole right through the bottom. Hello! Hey, my cupcake.
Black marker.
There we go. Greater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm so sorry.
Don't keep going. Cut it in half.
I cut it in half, so I just end up with 2 halves, don't I?
Be successful.
Keep going.
Squish flat. Tear our pace off. Like the ice cream cone. Greater.
Oh! Oh! Final spin.
It's got everywhere.
Squish. Now I'm looking at my squishy and it still looks like a squishy, which means I am not happy with the level of destruction we've
You're not
currently
happy?
I can still tell it's a chocolate pudding. I think we need to do a bonus round.
Bonus round with what?
A blender. I reckon we chuck it in the blender and see what happens.
Okay, and I reckon we do it for like 10 seconds.
What? Are you serious? Destruction.
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3. It's not actually turning the thingy. Let's try that again.
Do it.
Okay, so
Do
we
it.
kind of got halfway, but here we go. We'll pulse it.
Pulse
okay.
it.
No. We have broken Kyle's blender. Wow.
The blender failed.
Yeah, I think it really did fail.
Let's get 'em out.
Salvage this. Alright, so we have salvaged our squishies from the blender and
Straight to judging?
let's have a look.
See? Still looks like a squishy. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Perfectly fine. But I think if I'm honest with myself,
It's, oh no, you dropped your ice cream.
yours is actually clearly the winner. I have something for you. This.
Belongs on your head.
Didn't really treat our squishies with that much kindness, did we?
No.
Do you think that's the way we should treat people? I don't think so. People are soft like this on the inside. Let's treat them with kindness so they don't end up feeling like our squishies.
That was the Mystery World Squishy Destruction Challenge.
Sniff it. Squish it.
Bye.
See you guys. Can be fixed. Fixed.